Hey fashion lovers, welcome to the Fashion Try-On. If you want to support our channel, please be sure to like and subscribe. And if you like any of the items you see, be sure to check the description for links and discounts. Today we're trying on the Lululemon Polka Flock Align Tank. Now this is a black on black polka dot, and as soon as I saw this, I knew it was going to be instantly viral. They told me that it was going to launch on December 2nd, but it is actually launched on December 1st, and it has instantly sold out. Now, I was able to see this one as a preview in the store, but unfortunately, I do think it was too small of a size for me. I tried on the 4 in this first video, and then I will also try on a size 8. I am typically a size 6 in Lululemon, which I think is probably the right size. Now, I don't think the 4 worked because it was a little flattening on my chest, and that's the main reason. Otherwise, I do think I could have gotten away with the 4, but I just didn't want to chance it. Now, overall, I do agree with the virality of this piece and this collection. I do think this is going to be probably one of my favorite pieces from Lululemon ever. So I'm very hopeful that they'll restock it. But in any case, thanks for watching and be sure to subscribe.